Welcome back. AJ De Almeida High School from Ponda, Mustiphan High School from Panji and the Rosary High School from Miramar won the various age group titles at the Inter-School Badminton Championship at Indo Stadium at Kampal on Thursday. The tournament was organized by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs.
In the school state-level badminton championship, AJ De Almeida High School emerged victorious in the Under-14 and Under-17 girls category. They defeated the Rosary High School from Miramar in the finals of both the age groups by 2-0. Mustiphan High School won the Under-14 boys final. They defeated tough opponents in Batikar Models High School from Margao 2-1. The Rosary High School defeated Manavikas High School from Margao 2-0 in the Under-17 boys category. Here are some exciting moments of the various finals. Executive Engineer of PWD, PB Khalvadikar was the chief guest and gave away the prizes. Talented shuttler Anushka Kovelkar of Almeidas was delighted with her school's success.
I am very happy and I am very excited to receive this trophy of Under-17 girls.
Okay, and how long did you practice for this?
We practice in the evening from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 9:30.
Okay, and how is the coaching? Very intensive coaching?
Yeah, we practice individually.
Okay, and how important was winning this tournament?
It was very important because this past 2-3 years we are winning this, and it was very important to win this even this year.
Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandez.
Sports Authority of Goa's badminton coach Roy Atayat believes that the youngsters from the state team have the potential to make an impact at the West Zone Championship to be held in Sangli later this month.
The Goan team is currently preparing for the tournament to be held on September 11th and 12th at Sangli. Atayat is in charge of the ongoing preparatory camp at SHG Indo Stadium at Kampal. Goa's #1 ranked player Floyd Araujo and talented shuttler Sunny Sawant are the bright sparks in the team. The players are working on their fitness and strokes at the camp. Also fine-tuning their match skills, Atayat ensures that the players play amongst themselves for match practice.
We are having actually 4 teams, that is men's, junior boys, junior girls and ladies. But this time we are not participating in the ladies section because we don't have the ladies players in that. So we are going to concentrate only mostly on men's and under-19 boys and under-19 girls. So and the key players in men's are Floyd, who's ranked #1, and Sunny Sawant. But Sunny Sawant is not going to play in the men's. And I'm concentrating more on him on juniors. Since he's a junior player, we expect him to play against MP and give a good fight to them.
Our reporter from Panji, Noel D'Souza, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
11-day Ganpati Visarjan marked the culmination of Chauvat in the state. Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandals immersed the Ganesh idols of 11 days on Wednesday. It's time to end our bulletin on the note Ganpati Bappa Moria Purcha Varshi Lokarya. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye and take care.